What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the messages notifications not working issue in Xiaomi phone. So to fix this issue, first of all tap and hold on the messages app, then tap on this information icon and then tap on this force stop option on the bottom left corner. Now from the pop-up tap on OK to confirm, and after force stopping the messages app, the notifications issue of messages will be fixed. But if you're still facing the issue, then open settings, scroll down and tap on sound and vibration, and then scroll down and tap on do not disturb. Now here you will see a do not disturb button on the top. So if this button is enabled, then you will not be able to receive the reminders for incoming calls and notifications. So to fix the messages notification issue, tap on this button to turn it off. And after turning off this button, the messages notification issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the messages notification not working issue in Xiaomi phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.